spontaneous, that there is no a secret or something that I will just, just for us here because we are friends and we like each other, that I'm gonna tell you some stuff that you never knew and that it will solve all your problems. Because the assumption here is that our funder is gonna love that.
So, I actually don't want to say too much about this incredible woman, other than when I first met her.
My name is Anita. I'm very happy to host this workshop for you today. So it's the first time I have this big group of creative people.